Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you can't like a post on Facebook. So when you're trying to like a post on Facebook, it's just not working or you're getting an error message, then here are two ways to fix this. The first one is simply going right here in your Facebook app and clicking on menu, then clicking on settings and privacy and clicking on settings just like this. Then in the top right corner of your screen we're going to use the search bar and going to type in browser. Just like this. Click on the first one and we're going to clear our cookies and cache for Facebook. You can simply do it by clicking right here and then you can see that the time has updated to this exact moment. This should fix the issue for you. It will just clear your cache of your Facebook app, and sometimes this fixes the issue of you not being able to like. So check it out and make sure that it fixed or not. However, if it's still not working, then I have a second method for you. The second method is actually pretty irritating, but what you're probably getting is this error message. It means you're getting this error and it says you can't use this feature right now. If you're getting this error and it says you can't use this feature right now, it means that you are getting limited. If you have been spam liking a lot of posts on Facebook, then sometimes this error message will pop up and it means that you can't like any more posts for the next couple of hours. So what you simply want to do is you want to wait a few hours and try liking some posts after a few hours, and then the issue should be resolved and you shouldn't get this error message again. So yeah, if you're liking a lot of Facebook's posts in a row on Facebook, then sometimes you get this error message. It's quite irritating. All you can do to fix it is simply wait. So that are the two methods for you. Let me down know in the comments if you learned something from this video or if this helped you. If it did, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.